Hello everyone, today we are here to review this guest paper of Vinod Publications. It's Punjab B.Ed Semester 1 guest paper. Its name is Philosophical Basis of Education. It's a fully solved guest paper. It's a bestseller guest paper as per the new syllabus. It has 100% sure success of Punjab University Punjabi medium guest paper of B.Ed Semester 1 Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. So let's check out and review this guest paper. How is it? So syllabus wise units are mentioned, like semester 1 conceptual framework of education meaning, concept, Indian Western and types of education, formal, informal, non-formal, role and functions of education. Then unit 2 education philosophy meaning, relationship between philosophy and education. Then philosophies of education. Then educational philosophies, facets of knowledge, concepts, nature and sources, facets of knowledge, local and universal, concrete and abstract, and so on, and role of teacher in construction and knowledge. Then unit 4 values, concepts, types of values, source of values and erosion of values, value education, role of education for inculcation of values. So all the 4 units syllabus are mentioned in both, highlighted in both English and Punjabi to make it comfortable for both kind of readers. So now matter is there, you can check this out, like question 1, very important questions, 2, 3, 4, everything is clearly given. You can check this out. All the questions are completely given with discussed in detail. Also the questions are highlighted in both English language and Punjabi language, so that even the English readers can also buy this book and easily understand and read it. You can check out any question here. Things are very well explained with points. It's given with points. You can check this out. Very good book, I think. Very good guest paper. It's explained, everything is totally explained. And in the back side of this guest paper, you can check out other B.Ed textbook semester 1 and guest paper semester 1 of Vinod Publications, Punjab University. 5-in-1 B.Ed semester 1 and 5-in-1 textbook semester 1 is also given. You should definitely check this out and also buy it for sure. Also, the price of this guest paper, this particular guest paper, is just ₹99 only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call directly at Vinod Publications at 9218219218, and the guest paper will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books and guest papers of Vinod Publications. You can also check out other books and stuff on Vinod Publications by going to their Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications. You can go to their email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com if you have any query regarding any book or guest paper. And if you have any complaint regarding any book, any guest paper, you can go to their helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So 99 rupees is a very reasonable price for this guest paper. Buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218219218, or buy it from offline from any available bookstore nearby your location at 99. It's your choice. So 99 rupees is a very reasonable price for this guest paper, which is Philosophical Basis of Education, Punjab B.Ed semester 1 Punjabi University guest paper, bestseller of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. I highly recommend this guest paper. It will definitely help you in exams. I think you should definitely buy it. Thank you so much.